Good day to my prospective employer in Hong Kong. My name is Charisma Palar-Bitangcourt. I am 42 years old. I live in Nasipit, Agusan del Norte, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. Ages 22 years old, 12 years old, and my youngest is 9 years old. I am Roman Catholic, na high school graduate, and I am 4th sibling of the family. My first work experience as a housemaid is in my country, Philippines. I worked almost 2 years from year 2008 up to year 2010 with the same employer only. I served 6-member family, 1 twin, 5 months old boy and girl, 1 young kids, and 3 matured adult. My duties and responsibilities is to taking care of the twin boy and girl. And when the twin is sleeping, I help to my partner in work to do household chores. Yes, we are 2 in 1 house. And my second work experience is in Kuwait. I worked more than 5 years from year 2015 up to year 2020 with same employer only. I serve 8-member family, 1 toddler, 1-year-old, 1 young kids, 8 years old, and 2 young adult, 12 and 14 years old, 2 matured adult, ages 40 and 45 years old, 2 elderly, ages 70 and 95 years old. My duties and responsibilities is to doing household chores such as general cleaning, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, car washing, gardening, and taking care of toddler 1-year-old. And I also help to taking care of 95 years old elderly. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me, I promise that I will give all my best, and I will promise that I will love and taking care of your children with all of my heart, and I treat them like my own. And I promise that I will follow all my responsibilities and instruction as a housemaid. And I promise that I am willing to finish my contract and stay working with your family as long as you need me. My advocacy is to share my skills as an household maid. I am proud because I am hardworking, responsible, teachable, respectable, and positive integrity, and patient, and most of all, I am happy and honest person. Ma'am and sir, please try to hire me. That's all. Thank you and God bless.